Get ready, verse 5, 6, E chord, and we go. E.
All my life I've been carried by grace.
Still E.
Don't ask me how, cause I can't
Change to
explain.
A major.
There's nothing short of a miracle.
Back to E.
Yeah.
On E.
I've got some blessings that I don't deserve.
Still on E.
I've got some scars, but that's how you learn.
A major.
There's nothing short of a miracle.
Back to E.
Yeah.
Pre-chorus and B.
I think it
Change to
over
A.
and it doesn't add up.
To B.
I know it comes from
And A.
above.
Chorus back to
I've
E.
got miracles on miracles.
C sharp minor
Miracles.
and A. Back to E.
Miracles on miracles. Count your
C sharp minor
1, 2, 3,
and A.
I can't even
Back
count
to
them
E.
all.
One more bar. Verse 3. E chord.
You held me steady so I wouldn't give up.
Still on E.
You opened doors that nobody could shut.
To A.
I hope I never get over what
Back to E.
you've done.
Verse 4. E.
I wanna live with an open heart.
E.
I wanna live like I know who you are.
Go to A.
I hope I never get over what
Back to E.
you've done.
Get ready. Pre-chorus. B chord.
It's not coincidence and it is not luck.
B again.
I know it comes
And
from
A.
above.
Chorus and
I've
E.
got miracles on miracles.
C sharp minor
Miracles.
to A. Back to E.
Miracles on miracles. Count your
C sharp minor
1, 2, 3,
and A. Repeat chorus to
I've got
E.
miracles on miracles.
C sharp minor
Miracles.
and A. And E.
Miracles on miracles. Count your miracles.
C sharp minor
1, 2, 3,
and A.
I can't even count
Two bars of
them
E.
all.
1, 2. Go back. Bridge. E.
I can't even
C
count
sharp
them
minor
all. I can't
A.
even count
Repeat
them
again
all.
and E.
I can't even
C
count
sharp
them
minor
all. 1, 2, 3,
to
4,
A.
I can't
Bridge.
even
One
count
more
them
time.
all.
E.
I can't even count them
C sharp minor
all. I
and
can't
A.
even
Back
count
to
them
E.
all. I can't even count
C
them
sharp minor
all. 1, 2, 3,
and
4,
A.
I
Two more
can't
times
even
of bridge
count
and
them
E.
all. I can't even count them all. I can't even count them all. I can't even count them all. 1, 2, 3, 4, I can't even count them all. 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 1, 2, 3, 4, I
Two bars of
can't
E.
even count them all.
1, 2. Go back. Chorus E.
I got miracles on miracles.
C sharp minor
Miracles.
and A. E again.
Miracles on miracles. Count your
C sharp minor
miracles. 1, 2, 3, 4,
and A. One last time. Chorus and on E.
Miracles on miracles.
C sharp minor
Miracles.
and A. Back to E.
Miracles on miracles. Count your
C sharp minor
1, 2, 3,
and A. We're gonna end on E. E. One more time. Hold on E chord. Go. Hold. Well done. Hey there, thanks for watching and I hope you find this video helpful. I've got more piano techniques, music theory and tutorials coming your way, so stay tuned. If you think this channel is helping you reignite your passion for piano playing, do like and subscribe and I will see you in the next video.